Say. Buliloy naman.
Sabay tayo sunod.
Ayan man siya. Ayan, imo nilalabas sila. Gigil ba makagigil?
Ibalik ko nga, hoy.
Sige.
Sige go.
Dali sa tindog sa
Oh, baka na din. Baka na din. Kasi tindog na.
Dali tayo. Makano po ta sa tuwang master.
Dali na, dali.
Ayun, magsumbag ba? Magsumbag ka, teacher. Minus points ka, dili ka 100%. Sorry, say sorry. Say sorry to teacher Julie. Say sorry to teacher Julie. Sorry, say sorry oh. Say sorry ba?
Wala mo na yung kwan mo.
Dani, pakunawa dia.
No. Oh.
Kuya.
Yeah, oh, yan ang lula.
Tara, let's go. Tara, let's go. Ulit naman teacher ay. Ulit naman teacher kay igang mandra teacher. So
Matthew 27:24-25 said, therefore everyone who hears the word or these words of mine and acts on them may be compared to a wise man who built his house on the rock. And of course the rain fell, the next day, the wind blew and stopped again that house, and yet
Tuloy sir, kaya mag-iis po.
for it
Na kayo, grabe na. Grabe mo na agi.
found them